Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about some basic information about electric flux. This information is very important for your state board exam and competitive exam. Watch the video till the end. Let's start. Coulomb's law is the fundamental law in electrostatics. We can apply Coulomb's law to find electric field at any point. Another equivalent of Coulomb's law is Gauss's law. Gauss's law is useful to determine the electric field of the system of charges having symmetry. Before we discuss Gauss's law, we discuss the concept of electric flux. The concept of electric flux relates the electric field with its source. Flux is simply a mathematical concept which can be interpreted physically. Flux is a characteristic of all types of the vector fields. Electric flux is a quantity proportional to the number of electric field lines passing through surface. Consider a surface of area vector A placed in a uniform electric field vector E. Surface area vector A is perpendicular to vector E as shown in figure. Area vector A is a vector quantity and its direction is along the outward drawn normal to the area. Here area vector A and vector E both are in the same direction. Electric field can also be defined in terms of the electric field lines. Electric field at any point is the number of electric field lines R passing through a surface of unit area placed perpendicular to the electric field at that point. Therefore, the number of lines passing through surface of area A will be E into A. This is an electric flux phi associated with the given surface. Thus, electric flux is the number of lines passing through the surface is flux phi equals to E dot A. If the surface under the consideration is not perpendicular to the field, the number of lines passing through it must be less. Look at this diagram. If the surface area vector A is making an angle theta with the direction of electric field vector E, then to determine the electric flux linked with the surface, we have to consider the A cos theta component of the vector A parallel or anti-parallel to the electric field. Hence, electric flux linked with the surface is phi equals to Ea cos theta, and in the vector form phi equals to vector E dot vector A. If the surface is parallel to the electric field, then vector A perpendicular vector E. Hence, the flux link with surface will be phi equals to Ea cos 90 degree equal to 0. If theta is less than 90 degree, flux is positive, and theta is greater than 90 degree, flux is negative. If the field lines are entering in the closed surface, then flux link with this surface is considered to be negative. And if the field lines are leaving the surface, the flux is considered to be positive. Look at this diagram. Definition of electric flux is the flux link with any surface is the surface integration of the electric field over the given surface. Read the questions and comment your answer in comment section. Thank you.